Welcome to the world of Shojin Cuisine and Koji. My name is Yoshiki Ito. Thank you for stopping by. I hope that these videos will help the health and beauty of everyone who loves fermented food called Koji and Japanese food. This channel introduces how to make Koji seasoning and how to cook various vegetarian dishes with Koji seasoning. Also, I will talk about the beautiful functions of fermented food in Japan. From 2004 to 2007, I majored in food science at university, studying antioxidant activity. After graduation, I went through several years of authentic Japanese cooking training and as a leading chef of the Japanese Cuisine Association. It has been 11 years since I hosted a Japanese cooking class. So, what is the Koji exactly? Koji is malted rice that is added to food to start fermenting. For example, when you add koji to cooked soybean, it makes miso, and the other example is soy sauce. Koji's primary function is fermentation, but the end result is umami. Besides that flavor and the aroma, koji helps to improve your colon environment. How does that sound to you? I've been completely vegetarian since 2019. Because my constitution changed and I stopped accepting animal food. I started to use koji to make up for the lack of vegetarian food. I noticed that koji has a strong umami and can be cooked deliciously with vegetable alone. I had severe constipation, but the combination of koji and vegetables completely eliminated my constipation. My physical condition, which I don't think I can improve because of my age, had improved before I realized it. By adjusting the colon environment, the skin has become as beautiful as silky smooth. I realized once again that the longevity and superiority of the Japanese people lies in the Japanese food, which is based on koji and vegetables through changes in my own body. Japanese seasonings such as miso, soy sauce, and mirin also benefit from koji. When the colon environment improves, the body is adjusted. When the body is adjusted, the mind naturally followed. You will know yourself better by paying more attention to what to eat. Thank you for the life of the ingredients in front of me. When I switched to a vegetarian and took koji every day, I was free from frustration and busy days. I realized that I need no animal product to fill my body and soul but a simple diet. Knowing that it coexists with small creatures like koji, I think that the feeling of living purposely, so as not to waste the life of each ingredient, leads to inner beauty. That's what we call Zen. First of all, I hope we can enjoy the deliciousness of vegetables and the delicious taste of koji seasoning together. Let's take care of inner beauty with vegetables and koji. Let's have fun with Weekend Shojin Cuisine.